welcome back, Akahilz. Apparently, we have a D2 to our latest Learn and Earn campaign. So, there's a campaign on the Coinmarketcap and column on their website. It's talking about the trending Coinmarketcap and campaign program whereby users can learn about cryptocurrencies and get rewarded. So, we have the Join Polkastarter Learn and Earn campaign. That's the name of this particular one. So it just kicked off and it says here that apparently, if you don't know what Coinmarketcap is one of the most legit website that you can get infos about cryptos and airdrops, crypto prices, lots of. It's like is something that was created by Binance. Since it's been owned by Binance, Binance is the leading exchange platform when it comes to cryptocurrency. So CoinMarketCap is kind of a platform they created to be leading in terms of uh, everything that is related to cryptocurrency. So this way you can get one of the best legit informations and airdrops. So it says the CoinMarketCap works with trusted and emerging projects to offer an easy way to learn about cryptocurrency and any crypto assets as a reward. So CoinMarketCap users. So apparently, this Polkastarter Learn and Earn campaign entails users to just learn about Polkastarter, what's the project about, what this blockchain project is about, what this crypto project is about. Then you partake in it and you be rewarded for partaking in quiz. So each successful user is supposed to receive a $5 worth of post token, which is the Polkastarter. So these are some of the links and communities which you can follow to get more, to be acquainted with Polkastar. Once you find out you love the project, so guys, here's something to drop on. So for disclaimer, it says that CoinMarketCap reserves the right to disqualify trades and stuff and that. Okay, this is for trades. Then I say users who solve the quiz will receive a $5 first come first serve basis. So they are giving away about $25,000 post token. So it's going to be about for 5,000 people, for the first 5,000 people that sign up. So guys, it's something you should take advantage of because it's legit and it's real. So I'll be dropping all the links in the description box below. Then so you can learn about it. Then if possible too, I might also be dropping a link for the answers to which I imputed on my quiz, so you can follow up with, or better still, you can drop yours in the comment section so we can all benefit from it. So guys, one love, thanks for watching, hope to see you in our next video. Akahilz. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting. And what we do, we drop updates as regards cryptocurrency updates, uploads. You can check our previous videos for stuff that will be beneficial to you. So cheers guys, see you in the top. And if there's anything you don't like, you can easily drop it in the comment section and we'll work towards perfection or work towards improvement. Thanks for watching. One love.